All right, what's going on, y'all? So today is another Trading to Freedom series episode. We are on episode 22, I believe, maybe 21. Today wasn't a great day when it comes to trading, but I did see a lot of growth in my psychology. So let's just break down the trade, go over the recap, and then we'll talk about the psychology lesson at the end of the video. For today, what was I looking for, right? We had, I'm just looking at, first thing I was looking at is higher time frame analysis. I saw that we were relatively bullish, but we were definitely due for some bearish draws because there was a fuck ton of resistance and bissies that we hit that I wanted to target. So once we New York opened, right, there was a lot of moving around here, but let me just show you what happened to me and how I got fucking destroyed today. I saw that London ended off lower and Asia session was choppy as usual. So the fact that London ended lower definitely made me have a bearish bias for the day, right? I knew I was going to take shorts today no matter what. I did not expect this big ass fucking move, by the way, guys. I did not expect this 1,000 fucking point drop. But anyway, so I saw that we were generating some liquidity also during pre-market. So I expected New York to open a bit higher and take out some sort of buy side level. At first, I was looking at this level, but then I started looking at this order block here. We had, or sorry, this fair value gap here. And I saw that ES took out this high, but NQ failed to do so. So we created that SMT, 15-minute SMT. Got that on the lower time frames. And this is where I was about to enter, right? So we had I think we had a 2-minute inversion. Oh, fuck. All right, the camera died, so we're going on the webcam now, and I'm just in such a hurry because I have a bunch of shit to do. I'm traveling to DC tomorrow morning, and I just don't have time to charge the camera right now. So we're just gonna do this choppy ass webcam footage, but for now, let's just finish up talking about the recap here, right? So right here, this is what I was looking at. I saw that we had some displacement, right? I saw this displacement candle, and after we were coming up and like edging this, where we were tapping into that 15-minute gap, and I saw that we were holding it, and we created that SMT with ES. I was like, all right, we should be expanding lower now because of the fact that it's the 9 o'clock reversal usually around this time. You usually get either the retracement or reversal. And since we had so many bearish levels and draws that I wanted to take, I went for short. I was looking for shorts here, right? Once we had a huge displacement, chopped up, generated some liquidity. As soon as we started trailing up, and if you look at these candles, right, they aren't very high volume candles. They aren't directional, so this definitely seemed like a good retrace for me. And once price reached about a little over 0.5 of the bearish fair value gap that was created here, I don't know why I have this marked out like that. Probably because it's not a high time frame, but once we got in that retrace and we were holding it consistently, I entered shorts, right? Put my stop loss at that high. But what happened, right? Price climbed up, took those highs out, and then delivered and played that huge move. And at first, I was fucking frustrated. I was so pissed because I was like, dude, like, when does New York do this? Like, retraces, right? But what is this? This is a stop hunt. This right here, this is a stop hunt. So that's why I wasn't thinking like smart money. I was thinking like a regular retail trader, and I got stop hunted because what is happening? What is a stop hunt? If you don't know, I'm sure most of you do know what that is, but it's where the market is going to chase everyone's stop losses and where the most liquidity rests. Because right here, a lot of people's stop losses were placed right here on this order block or this high right here, and obviously that's going to be the next draw because market's going to look like it's going to look for liquidity. It's going to look to stop hunt. So it stop hunted and then ended up playing out completely here. So one trade right here blew my entire funded account. And it was on a brand new funded. Just got it. You saw that I passed a funded account and passed the eval. But yeah, what happened here? I over leveraged like fuck because I was so confident in this retrace. I was so confident in this trade. Right, and clearly I kind of knew what I was talking about because look at this fucking move, bro. It's insane. Like, I knew the draw was lower. It's just I got stop hunted and lost the account over it. It fucking sucks. It really fucking sucked. At the moment, I was so fucking angry, but I played my cool. I didn't go and, like, buy another eval instantly and just start chart trading again. I just closed the charts and went on my day. But it did fucking suck. I'll tell you that. Let's go ahead and talk about the topic of today's video. It's just making a change, right? So I just been in this stage where like I pass an eval super fast, you know, 2 to 3 days, and as soon as I get unfunded, everything changes, right? My whole mental changes, my psychology changes. I get nervous, I get FOMO, I get all these horrible psychology habits, and it's just kind of like it's been rinse and repeat recently. Like I've passed 4 accounts in the last month. and I just been, you know, blowing them as fast as I fucking pass them. I just want to talk about, you know, making a change and actually doing something to, you know, truly progress, because I don't want to be stuck in this stage forever. Like, I don't want to be stuck in a spot where I'm passing evals and I'm blowing the accounts as fast as I'm passing them, right? And just putting myself through the stress. It's just fucking terrible. So what I decided to do is just make a change, right? I started waking up at 8:30 instead of 8 o'clock. So I just kind of like wake up at 8:30 and take a shower. And by the time I actually get on the charts, the 15-minute candle is already formed. So I just make my analysis right then and there, because I don't need 20, 30 minutes to make a analysis for the day, you know, figure my daily bias. Like, it takes minutes, seconds, bro. So that's one thing. And then also, you know, starting to trade on micros, right? No more minis for me. Like, even on the evals, I'm just going to go strictly micros because of the fact that the over leveraging has just been such a problem for me. It's like actually the worst problem that I have right now. It used to be my executions, and that's gotten a lot better. Like, my executions, it has been way better than before. But now I just over leverage. Like, I got so confident, I started executing way better. My trades started hitting more, and I just started over leveraging. And so, like, one trade takes me the fuck out, which it shouldn't be that way. So that's why I'm gonna start trading micros instead of minis. Be the change you want to see. If you feel like you're in an endless loop and you're in a cycle, well, do something about it, right? Just make a change, do something outside of the charts that's going to help you improve and, you know, stop seeing the same result. Because it's so fucking demotivating when you're just, you know, same things happening again, you know, same thing, rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat. And it gets even worse when you start, you know, plateauing and coming down and actually taking steps backwards, right? I haven't really been taking backward steps, but I've been plateauing. Like, I've been staying at the same spot for a while. So I don't want to like go backwards. I want to go forward. I want to make a change. That's really the advice I can give you guys. And I'm sorry about the shitty quality. I'm just in a super hurry rush. But I wanted to get this video out. I wanted to post this no matter what before I left, because I feel like if I would have waited till days later when I landed in DC, I would have really have been able to convey the actual emotions I felt, and I probably would have forgotten like half of all the things I'm saying right now. So that's why I wanted to really push this video out, because these are the videos that count. It's not the winning videos. It's not me passing evals. It's not me taking the payouts. It's the videos of me losing, right, and actually discovering myself and having just some accountability and taking accountability, recognizing it, and then making a change, right? Because that's what I want to preach to everyone out there, is you just gotta take accountability. And of course it's way easier said than done, but it's up to you to decide like how bad do you really want it, right? I want it super bad. I want it more than most of you guys out there, because I still come here every single day, show up. But yeah, that's about it. Just make the fucking change, right? Don't keep yourself in this endless loop of stress, because it's terrible. It's a terrible position to be in. I've been in this position for the last 2 to 3 weeks, month almost, and I feel like I've been stressed the fuck out. I've been breaking out more, right? I've just been way more stressed and on tilt because of it. So definitely gonna just step back and make some changes. But that's about it for today's video, y'all. If you haven't already, joined the Discord, BG Signals. I made it with my friend Blake, right? We post my executions every single day on there. I'm responding to everyone on there, right? It's just a good way to connect with other traders and me, and also Blake. Already, I have a TikTok, GeoSmooth5. I post like psychology videos and just funny, relatable videos. But yeah, that's about it, y'all. If you haven't subscribed already as well, subscribe and leave a comment too. I really like when you guys comment and give your 2 cents on things. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out. Saucy, bitch, I do this often. My bitch is bad, she always in office. So I got a tag on running my body. Can't see the pads, I'm living new fast. 20 my dash, I'm up, but I lost.